Chad.
Matt, you are not supposed to take your bike and ride it on the sun. You will get burnt. God, jeez, bear spray, riding on the sun.
This is the stuff that I go through, folks, all the time.
It's all love. It's all love.
It's all love. So, it's Saturday morning.
Saturday morning.
You've had a big week. Yeah, it is. You don't know what day it is.
I don't know what day it is.
What do you think? This has been a fantastic week for everybody.
I sure hope so. I've gotten good responses, you know. They said Matt McCourt was great, so that's a bonus for me.
If you believe that one, again, I'm asking you, sir, how was this whole experience this week?
No, it's been a great week. We've topped over 700 attendees this year. We've got more vendors than we've ever had before, so that's been great. More volunteers. It's just been really a great year. It's been a great year this year. So the 12th annual Dirty Dozen.
So over 700 people, and then you're going to have, what do you go call it next year?
Oh, next year it's the 13th annual, so then it's the Baker's Dozen edition.
The Baker's Dozen. I love it. That's going to be fantastic.
A little British theme to it, so we're working on trying to get some British celebrities come.
Uh-oh, folks.
So we'll
First
see.
time you're hearing this right now.
Yes, that's true. That is true.
All right. Well, thanks for everything. It's been fantastic. And folks, if you didn't enjoy Whale and Wing this year, I don't know what you're missing or how you didn't enjoy it. So, all right.
Awesome.
Thanks, Chad.
Thanks,
Bye-bye.
Chad.
Good morning. How are you? Good morning. How you doing? Good. Morning, Jacob.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
Good.
Hello, sir. How are you? Oh, well, a little biscuits and gravy.
A little bit.
I don't want to film you dumping that. I might have to pick you up after that. I am. I'm trying.
You know, pick me up after that. Morning, Matt.
Good morning, Dave. How are you today? A little biscuits, gravy. You doing well? Good morning. Got the ambassador crew over here. What's going on, ambassadors? How are you today? Beautiful, love it. Yes, sir. This is
Today, what are you doing?
nothing. I fried my ankle yesterday.
Where's Ben? Ben. Thank you.
Ben
Williams. I see it, Ben. Then it's Ben's birthday. If you don't know Ben from Webcam, there he goes. Thank you, Duke, for grabbing Ben. Ben has been one of our sponsors. Webcam Nerd has been one of our Beer Cup sponsors for the last couple of years, and we're grateful for that. So we have to sing happy birthday to Ben. So, Ben, come on up here so we can terribly sing happy birthday to you. In our worst voice, please. All right, so Ben, how old are you? Like, what? 30. I'll say at 30. I'm not going to embarrass myself. All right, Ben, so once again, happy birthday, and I would just really quickly sing for you and embarrass the hell out of you. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, you big nerd. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Ben, for everything you do for us. Miss Eva, please report to the principal's office, Miss Eva.
Second detention of the day. Good morning, you guys. Hey, round of applause for Chad Warner for putting together one of our favorite favorite events in the entire universe. How fun is this? So, so cool. Listen, obviously you're going to go out and ride motorcycles with all these amazing people today. You're going to go ride motorcycles with your friends today, but you're also going to come over to the Motul Challenge course and compete in the best challenge course at Wallin Wayne weekend. All right, kids are at 3, adults are at 4. Open practice is from 12 to 2, but if you didn't get in for open practice, just come in and practice during the competition. 600 cc's and up, so there's a medium-sized bike category and a big bike category. The course is designed for big bikes, so everybody who's like, I want to take my 250, well then, you know, you can go find a different competition. This is a big bike competition. The course is designed as such, and it's going to be an absolute blast. But what's going to be a real blast is the kids kicking it off at 3 o'clock. What else? Yeehaw!
All right, again, be safe out there. There is no trophy for first place coming back or the fastest on the trail. So please be careful, have fun. If you need any...
Famous Ben Dragoo from Darts. Ben, what's going on?
Nothing, man. Just getting ready for the Motul Adventure Challenge.
Nice. Now, obviously, this will come out after the fact.
Yes.
So, what are you going to do for the balance of the year? You got your Rock Fest thing coming up, right?
Yes, Rock Fest, and then our 3 local classes. We have 3 full sessions going.
Nice.
September, October, and November.
Where they going to be at?
Norman, Oklahoma.
Norman, Oklahoma. All right. So, hold on. Folks, if you haven't done dart training, you got to go because I've been there. It's absolutely fantastic. Go see Ben and the crew. They will hook you up and they will teach you everything you need to know. So, all right. Ben, anything else?
Dartmoto.com.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
It's me, yeah. See that there?
That's it.
Wait, I got a very serious look in that picture, right?
Yeah, you're like really super serious. Let me
Fucking
see.
angry.
Much better haircut there. You. Okay, yeah, we got it.
See you oh, I'm sorry, I'm on the microphone when I'm saying that.
That I was attacked by a monkey. It's not a great story, by the way.
Let me tell you, if it was by itself, it would be a great story. But you continue to entertain us each rally with interesting stories.
That's my job.
I don't know what next year, how you're going to top this, but you know.
It's getting harder every year.
Bear spray,
Monkey.
riding on the sun.
Are you laughing at me?
With you.
With me.
All right, looks like we're collecting all the ride leaders up here.
right? Hey everybody, Travis from SkyMed. Absolutely fantastic company. If you haven't heard the spiel, or you haven't heard anything, or you haven't known anybody using it, you got to use it. So Travis, tell us. Go ahead.
So SkyMed is an emergency medical transportation company that specializes in what we all do: getting you home, getting your motorcycle home, getting your RV, your truck, your trailer home in a medical emergency. But more than that, we cover ground, helicopter, and fixed wing jet. Wherever your insurance falls short, we protect you at home, away from home, and worldwide. Just like this guy, we ride all the time. Things happen. We're here at Wallin Wayne. We've been getting dirty, down and dirty at the Dirty Dozen, and we've got broken ribs and broken legs. You know, it sucks, but you want to have something in place when that happens, so you don't have to call your buddies and be like, hey, will you drive 1,000 miles and come get me? Well, that's what SkyMed's for.
All right, everybody, I'm telling you right now, folks, the reason why I carry it, if you've been watching my channel, there's a reason why I have SkyMed. So if you've seen my trip in Colombia a couple of years ago, I had potentially an opportunity to use SkyMed, didn't, but I've had plenty of opportunities. To me, it's a safety guard. It's something in the back of my mind that I don't have to worry about. All I have to say is, if you want to take the worry out of doing any of this adventure riding, wherever it's in the United States or all over the globe, these guys are the guys to look forward to. So thanks, Travis.
Thank you, Matt. Thank you.
All right, everybody. Have a good one. Take care.
Watch out, another one coming up here. That's gonna be a rough one for somebody.
Well, you know, I love pouring beer. It just makes everybody happy. You know what I'm saying, Charles?
I don't know why they call this a beer garden. The beer is not actually grown. My best friend, very Mediterranean, olive skin.
Oh yeah, you're on the film now.
Oh,
you're on the tubes now.
I love you, Matt, and I love America. Really.
Good. Love to hear that. What about Epico? Give me the spiel here real quick. Come on now.
Oh boy.
This is Ricardo, everybody, and a spiel.
Epico Moto Adventures. Awesome adventure riding, Colombia, South America. We ride all year round, buddy. You've been there?
Oh, folks, if you haven't, you need to. These guys will take care of you all day long.
Ride Colombia.
Ride
Epico.
All right.
Yes, ma'am, what you need?
Can I have a shandy, please?
You can, and you will. As soon as he's done.
Last year we drank 3 breweries.
Oh, good.
Dry.
No.
What you got? Yeah, we got IPA, a brown, and then a shandy. Brown.